The Ionic Hair Dryer 1600 watt features a powerful brushless motor that operates at 180,000 revolutions per minute, allowing for ultra-fast drying with an impressive airflow speed. Utilizing advanced noise reduction technology, this dryer maintains a quiet operation below 50 decibels, making it perfect for styling your hair without any disturbance. Infused with over 200 million negative ions, it effectively eliminates frizz, locks in moisture, and enhances shine, ensuring salon-quality results every time. The smart temperature control system prevents heat damage by adjusting temperatures 100 times per second, maintaining a consistent and safe drying environment for your hair. With 8 customizable drying modes, this hairdryer offers versatility to suit different hair types and styling needs, from quick drying to gentle styling and volume boosting. Its lightweight and ergonomic design, weighing only 396 grams, ensures comfortable handling and reduces wrist fatigue, making it ideal for both home use and travel.